First take chopped ginger, coriander leaves, mint leaves and curry leaves. Take one chilli. Now some take cumin seeds and curd. Add salt for taste. Now take all these ingredients in a mixie jar. Now blend all these ingredients till it will become smooth. Now add curd and blend it again. Now add some more water. That's it. Now very simple buttermilk is ready. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel How to Make Simple for more videos. Friends, now you serve this buttermilk to your friends and your family members. Thanks for watching.